Hey guys, video on Rocketlab. I'm playing here with the fibs here, taking them from this low, from this low, from this low, from this low. We have hit the 618, so wave 4 is getting in the danger zone, okay, for the white scenario. I'm still gonna keep it because it just wicked below it and it's recovering, trying to recover at least. We fell back below this point of control. As you can see, we had some attempts here where we always respected this level, so I'm gonna keep it for on the chart for now. It's at 77.2. If we can get back above it today and hold above it, then this wave 4 could still stay alive here. If we move down though, if we find resistance, then I'm gonna have to delete this, and then we will assume that this third wave topped here, which gives us then a little bit more room to the downside, okay, for this wave 2. 1 2 3 4 5, okay. Of course it's then also close to invalidation, but if it just wicks, I'm still gonna accept it as well. The wave 1 high is here. Overlap is very far away. As long as it doesn't make overlap, I'm happy with it just wicking to the 618, okay? As long as it doesn't close 1 hour or 4 hour candles below it. That's just my interpretation, of course. And what I'm gonna do as well is add a trend line here. This. And then for now, I'll add the white scenario also back, or light blue, because I'm still giving it a chance. And then the most bearish scenario that we can have, like not most bearish, but most conservatively bullish scenario, is labeling all of this as a wave 1 complete. But to me, you can see these ranges here are a little bit too short compared to these wave 2s here, okay? So one could say, yep, this is a 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 4 5, yes, but just the ranges are so short compared to these wave 2s that I'm not yet adding these fibs, okay? That's my really last bullish scenario that I have, and I'm gonna keep it off the charts until this invalidates, okay? This wave 4 and then also this wave 4, if we take this from this wave 2 or from this wave 2, depending on the scenario. One could then also say, yeah, look, okay, if this is a 1 2 3, this wave 4 is so long compared to this wave 2. That's also true. So you get where I'm going. I'm really in between both of them. For now, I'm keeping this off the chart, okay? Maybe I can add the 0.5 and 0.618 here, and I'll put it like in green, okay? Coming from this being a wave 1 by itself and this being a wave 2, and this micro count being then wrong, okay? So should we now go down, invalidate this internal wave 4, also this one, we can focus on 72, 68 and the point of control of this range at 69, okay? That's of course if we show weakness today. If we can get above this value area high, then we can focus again on this high, and of course if we can keep above it. Now one could then say, okay, this can still be a wave 1 and a wave 2 because we did indeed reach the fibs. Look, we have crossed the 0.382, we have crossed the 0.236. How do we know the difference? If we get this next move up and it's really exploding with a lot of volume going higher than the volume we had here, then okay, we know this has to be a third wave. Then I will, yeah, remove this sublabeling and I will just put wave 1 here, wave 2 here, and then a wave 3 that's unfolding, okay? Hope that makes sense to you. I know it's tricky sometimes, and it's all interpretation. I'm trying my best, but sometimes it's really not easy at all. We have got this massive range here below us. We haven't entered the value like we haven't entered the volume profile, we haven't crossed below the value area high of this range, so no worries yet. If we do go there and if we do lose this point of control at 69, I'm gonna be worried though, for this being a potential A, B, and then a C wave to the downside. Okay, so we need strength before losing this point of control, mainly if we look at it from a structural point of view. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.